Doesn't have to be formal.
No, but you have to introduce yourself.
You guys already know me, right?
Because they know you. Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously, and I am a YouTuber like him.
Hi guys, it's DEFT here, and I'm with PMHK today. And in today's video, we're going to be telling you guys the reason why we are on YouTube. So I'm going to go first, and then why am I on YouTube? Probably maybe there's a lot of things probably from what you guys have asked me. So why you guys do YouTube videos?
Yeah.
And then
I don't think I've ever been asked why do I do it.
Yeah, okay, it was like sort of a benefit. Do you benefit something?
Yeah, that's normally the main question. Do you make money?
Do you make money?
But we're not gonna be talking about that in this video.
Yeah, but basically most of the people who are on YouTube, they're not really there for money.
Yeah, no, if you're here for money, like I think you should stop. Stop now and go rethink your strategies of getting money.
Exactly.
Yeah, but why are you on YouTube?
Well, for me, it's just about creativity. You know, when I get fascinated about the content that other creators are putting out there, you know, and I always strive to be on, you know, to produce the same level of the productivity that they're doing. So I want to do the same content as them, and I want to test my limit as can I go on that level and beyond, you know, and then at some point I want to see myself, you know, doing a great production that will go worldwide.
Oh, that's nice. That's actually a nice answer. I wasn't even thinking of that. For myself or for me, the reason I make YouTube content or make YouTube videos is basically because I want to share my experiences with gadgets. I mean, I've been like unboxing these things or buying gadget or being fascinated about tech for even before I started making YouTube videdos. I think I started making YouTube videos.
You are more into that.
Yeah, I think it's been like 2 years now, 2.5. Going to 3 years. So I've always been fascinated about gadgets, but I wanted to find a way also to share my experiences with the world basically, and hopefully in future, which is not the case right now, make something out of my interest, because this is like something that I really like doing. That's why I always make videos on YouTube about the gadgets that I love. Like right now we're just unboxing a couple of stuff here just for you guys to see. We unboxed this thing here. Obviously it's gonna be on my channel. Plug. Are you gonna put a link on the description for them to see?
Of course, I'm gonna link the video, and I'm gonna link his channel as well, guys. So you should subscribe and then like the video.
So yeah, we're looking at this guy here. This is a smart plug. You've reviewed this in your channel, yeah, you guys can also go ahead and check this thing out on his channel. I feel like I'm taking over and this is your video.
No, you should. I mean, that's the aim, you know.
So yeah, we have this guy here, and we have this smart bulb here. It actually plays also. It has a Bluetooth speaker inside, and we looked at this guy over here. You guys can go to my channel, obviously it's going to link, and you'll see what's up. So
yeah, they'll get a chance to see how good I was when directing the video. So guys, just for noting, actually directed the video that we just did now. Directed. So moving on to the next question, and it's about the things, you know, what are the things that we aim to achieve by doing this YouTube video. So for me, main thing is to educate and share, you know. So there are a lot of things that people actually struggling with out there, you know, like a simple thing is, how do you switch on Wi-Fi, you know?
You should get asked that?
Yeah, I do get asked. This past Saturday, somebody asked me that the laptop is refusing to connect to the Wi-Fi. And there's actually a lot of things that somebody needs to look at, but you know, I believe with the videos and the content that we do, somebody's gonna learn something, you know, especially with what he does on the unboxing, you know. It's going to save you a lot of time. Instead of you having to go and read the whole manual to figure out how that product works, you can just come and watch our videos, you know. So those are the things that we aim to achieve, sort of like a knowledge-based kind of a thing. So I'm looking into, we could have that knowledge base of everything, you know. As you can see, our tech is not only limited to, you know, computers and smartphones and stuff, you know. It goes way beyond the lights. Everybody needs lights, smart plug, you know, for all the devices that you have in the house.
Yeah, they do. No, I mean, I agree with you, but I really, sometimes I'm kind of oblivious. I don't know if I can use the word oblivious. Actually, I can use whatever I want to use. But sometimes I tend to assume that the basic things that I know, everybody else know, like what you just mentioned now, connected to Wi-Fi. I think because we are a bit of tech inclined, and obviously we did IT in the past. Was actually my classmate, by the way. We did IT in the past, as I'm saying. We are more in tune with this thing. So what was the question again? I kind of forgot the question.
What you aim to achieve.
What I aim to achieve.
Yeah.
Obviously, as you said, is to educate people, like to show people. Me basically, let me say it's to show people what out there. That's why some of my video is on teaching people how to buy online. Like I have how to ship to South Africa easily, how to buy things overseas and things like that, how to use PayPal. At least I said it right now, PayPal and stuff like that. But the main aim is to try and educate people on the things that we know and we think people might need education on. And some other aim that would be maybe make this a living, like be able to live out of only YouTube, making YouTube video like most of the content creators in the States, in Australia and countries like that are already doing. But we are not there yet, but we're gonna get there obviously with your guys' help. So make sure you subscribe to my channel when it links down there so we can get to that level. So
Yep. So you mentioned about shipping from other countries into South Africa. So I just want you to also put that on my channel as well, and because I don't actually cover a lot of those. So probably maybe your experience when it comes to shipping within the country as well as shipping from outside.
Okay. When it comes to shipping, mainly what I talk about in my channel is shipping either from Amazon or shipping from eBay. And what I normally advise people to do is to use a forwarding agent. Normally a forwarding agent would be an agent in, let's say if you're shipping from Amazon, that would be an agent in the US. So basically what would happen, you would buy the thing from Amazon and then they will ship it to your agent still in US, because some of the package in Amazon cannot be shipped directly to South Africa. And I actually just made a video covering that. So I think I'm going to link all my library of videos in this thing. So as I was saying, that the Amazon guys will ship it to your US, my US agent, which is my US is the agent I use to ship things to the country, if you guys are wondering. So basically that's what happened. I'll buy something from Amazon. From Amazon it's gonna go to my agent, and my agent will send it directly to me. That's like the basic process or the basic scenario of what it happens. But obviously there's a background things that happens there, but it's nothing complicated. And I use that process mainly because when you are using the post office, South African post office, everything tends to be delayed if it's not lost. Because I actually had somebody telling me that he bought something overseas and when he received the stuff, the box was empty.
Wow.
So I try to avoid that by using an agent. But obviously in future, that will obviously change.
Yeah, I've had that experience with the post office. Not that the box was empty, but the packaging was damaged after 3 months. So it took 3 months.
That's why I tend to use a forwarding agent for that. So cool. Next question.
So next, which is gonna be the last question. So it's about what are our plans, the plans for the future with regards to YouTube. So my response is gonna sound like what everybody says.
What is that?
And I want to work with other creators. I want to groom and develop others. So
that's something I have in common. I mean, something that I also obviously that's the reason of this video. I actually want to work with other creators that are actually a bit above me, so I can like tap into their subscriber base, so they can also come to my channel. Hence this video, you guys also should come jump into my channel. So how many are they? I think around 500.
You're 556.
You have 556.
Yeah, we have the same number.
The same number. Why are you copying me?
So you can.
So now you can. Now imagine the 500 from his channel come to my channel, and the one from my channel goes to his channel.
That's what we need. That's what we need.
So basically, guys, not only obviously it's not only for the subscribe, obviously, because at the end of the day, that's what's gonna help us to make something out of YouTube. But obviously, because working with other creators, you can actually see their working process and you can actually learn from them. Like right now, you saw me setting up these things here. Maybe
because it took us like an hour just to set up.
Because this is it's a mobile setup. I have to set up and take it back, and set up and take it back. So learn from other creators, and obviously tap into their subscriber base also.
Yeah. Well,
I think I got you off.
Which is which is the same for me. I don't know. I really like working with not only people who are doing like YouTube things, but any content that at the end of the day we are able to collaborate, and then we can put something on YouTube. You know, one day I saw these guys, they were doing skateboarding in Braamfontein. And then they were actually doing some crazy stunts that, oh my god, I wish I had a camera, you know, who could
so that would be
like
a
vlog.
vlog kind of a thing.
I'm not good in vlogging, but yeah.
Nah, vlogging is my thing.
Yeah,
so check the channel.
So guys, I believe these questions are answered. So guys, we really want to work with you guys. So I don't know, we should come up with something like I don't know, constructive comments that you guys, things that
what you guys want to see in future, something like that. In terms of collaboration or individual channels as well. Individual channels as well. So just leave it down in the comments. Obviously, are we ending the video?
Yeah, let's end the video.
Okay, so should you end? Or must I end?
You can end.
Okay, we'll both end.
Okay,
I'll end first, then you end. Okay, so this is gonna be it for this video. Obviously, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will check you on my channel, which he's going to link below.
So guys, make sure you subscribe to his channel, and then subscribe to mine if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.